In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to compress a video in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you've ever tried uploading a video and realized the file size is too large for email, a website, or even certain platforms, this tutorial is going to help you reduce that file size directly inside Clipchamp without using any third-party tools. The best part is, you don't need any advanced editing skills to do this. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. This can be an existing project you've already edited or a new one that contains the video you want to compress. Once you're inside the project, make sure your video is fully uploaded to the timeline and ready to export. Compression in Clipchamp happens during the export process, so you don't need to adjust complicated bitrate settings or technical controls manually. After you've confirmed everything looks good in your preview window, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. This is where Clipchamp gives you different resolution options for saving your video. Many people don't realize that choosing a lower resolution is one of the easiest and most effective ways to compress a video and reduce its file size. Once you click on Export, you'll see several resolution options. Before choosing one, click on More Options if it's available. This will expand the available export settings and allow you to see additional resolution choices. The resolution you select directly affects the final file size of your video. Higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K produce larger file sizes, while lower resolutions like 720p or 480p significantly reduce the size. To compress your video, simply click on a smaller resolution option, such as 720p or even 480p. For most online uses, like email sharing, messaging apps, or basic web uploads, 720p still looks very good while dramatically lowering the file size. If you need an even smaller file, 480p will compress it further, although you may notice a slight drop in visual quality. The key is balancing quality and file size based on where you plan to use the video. After selecting your preferred lower resolution, click on Export again to confirm. Clipchamp will now begin processing and rendering your video. During this stage, the platform automatically compresses the file according to the resolution you selected. Depending on the length of your video and your computer's performance, this may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, your newly compressed video file will be ready to download. You can now check the file size by right-clicking the file and viewing its properties on your computer. You should notice that the file size is significantly smaller compared to exporting in a higher resolution. And that's it. That's how you compress a video in Clipchamp using built-in export settings. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any extra software. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.